Our project is identification and classification of cassava plant disease using image technique. Batch members are Karthik, Lokesh, Girisa Yadav, and our project guide is Mr. D. Bharatidasan sir, Assistant Professor, RMD Engineering College. This is our abstract. Cassava is a woody shrub cultivated largely for its edible roots, the largest producer of carbohydrates and starch-rich vegetable. A deep convolutional neural network model is proposed. The types of diseases are CZM, cassava green mite or CBSG, cassava brown streak disease, CBB, cassava bacterial blight or healthy leaves. This is our abstract. In Google Colab we use this project and we can run the code. This is our supporting libraries. First of all we have to import some of the libraries as functions. Ennum, numerical aperture, pandas, and CV2 is a convolutional layer. We have to first of all we have to insert some of the functions, and then this is our input image. First of all we have to convert the gray color into red, green, blue color. Now I will show the see this is our input, and then we have to convert into the this is our green color, gray color, and then now we want to convert into the pixels, and we have to identify the rows, colors and diamonds, the image of the data. This is the output. CBSG, CBB, we have to identify for both CZM, CMD, for all we have to identify, for healthy leaves also. And again we have resizing the image data. We have to identify the data of the image, and we have to creating a num array for prediction, like a dummy array. We will use how the classes are described. This is our prediction class label, and we have to identify the input image shape, color, image size, and this is our network model summary. We have to load we have to load weight into models and the network models. Here we are giving approaches are 20, bare side equal 32 fixed. We can give the approaches of 20 means we will get the accuracy of 0.9% and the 90%. We can change as the approaches, we will get more accuracy. 120 we will give 25 approaches means we will get 100 accuracy, 100% accuracy. And this is our maximum pooling one. Convolutional activation flatten, this is our dummy inputs we will give to this is for testing. Prediction array with the help of testing, and this is our image categories table. And finally we will get the output as content input data. See, this is our sample pictures input data. See, we will get here input data. We will give so many data, and then we will get CBB, CBM. This is CBB image. We'll get here CBB image. Like that we will get all images CBB, CBB, CGM, CBSD. All images we will like for this. And the conclusion of this project is from these methods we can accurately identify and classify various plant diseases using image processing technique. Thank you.